Welcome to Kiddo, fun learning for little ones.
Hello, little champions. Today, we're going to learn 20 amazing sports ball names. We'll discover different balls used in fun games and sports. Are you ready to play and learn? Let's go. This is a football. A football is round, and we kick it with our feet. Playing football helps us run and have fun with our friends. Let's play football at the playground, park, or football field. This is a basketball. A basketball is big and bouncy. We bounce it and throw it into the hoop. Let's play basketball at the basketball court, school, or playground. This is a tennis ball. A tennis ball is soft, light, and bright yellow. We hit it with a tennis racket. Let's play tennis on the tennis court, in the park, or at the sports club. This is a cricket ball. We use a cricket ball to play cricket with a bat. It's a fun team game. Let's play cricket at the cricket ground, park, or school. This is a volleyball. A volleyball is light and soft. We hit it over a net using our hands. Let's play volleyball at the beach, playground, or sports hall. This is a baseball. A baseball is small and white with red stitches. We hit it with a bat and run fast. Let's play baseball at the baseball field, park, or sports club. This is a softball. A softball looks like a baseball, but it is a little bigger. It is fun to throw and catch. Let's play softball at the school, park, or sports ground. This is a rugby ball. A rugby ball is shaped like an oval. We run and pass it to our teammates. Let's play rugby on the sports field, playground, or stadium. This is a billiard ball. A billiard ball is small, smooth, shiny, and colorful. Players gently roll and tap the balls across a special table using a cue stick. It is a fun game that needs careful aim. Let's play billiards at the game room, sports club, or recreation center. This is an American football. It has an oval shape and is fun to throw and catch. Let's play on the football field, at school, or in the stadium. This is a table tennis ball. It is tiny, light, and bounces quickly. We hit it with small paddles. Let's play table tennis at home, school, or the sports club. This is a beach ball. A beach ball is big, light, and colorful. It is fun to throw and catch with family and friends. Let's play with a beach ball at the beach, swimming pool, or park. This is a dodgeball. A dodgeball is soft and colorful. It is fun to throw gently during games. Let's play dodgeball at the school, gym, or playground. This is a lacrosse ball. A lacrosse ball is small and strong. Players throw and catch it using special sticks. You can find it on sports fields and schools. This is a field hockey ball. We use hockey sticks to move this ball across the field. Let's play field hockey at the hockey field, school, or sports ground. This is a bowling ball. A bowling ball is heavy and has 3 finger holes. We roll it to knock down the pins. Let's play bowling at the bowling alley, game center, or sports club. This is a handball. A handball is round, colorful, and easy to hold. Players pass, catch, and throw the ball with their hands to score a goal. Handball is a fun team game that helps us stay active. Let's play handball at the school, sports hall, or playground. This is a bocce ball. A bocce ball is round, smooth, and colorful. Players gently roll the ball across the ground and try to get it close to the little target ball. Bocce is a fun game for families and friends. Let's play bocce ball at the park, garden, or playground. This is a medicine ball. A medicine ball is round, soft, and a little heavier than most sports balls. People use it for fun exercises to help build strength and balance with a grown-up or coach. Let's use a medicine ball at the gym, sports hall, or fitness center. This is a golf ball. A golf ball is small, round, and has tiny little dimples. We gently hit it with a golf club into a hole. Let's play golf at the golf course, mini golf park, or sports club. Fantastic job, little champions! Today, we learned 20 amazing sports ball names in English. Now you know many different balls used in fun games and sports. Keep learning, keep playing, and come back to Kiddo for more exciting adventures.
Thank you for learning and playing with Kiddo. See you again.